Welcome to qnawire.
If the measure of angle CBD was 28 and the measure of angle BCA was 32, we want to know the measure of angle AED. AED here, which would be congruent to the angle inside of this triangle. And triangles have to have 180 degrees in them. So start with the 180 and subtract the two angles we know, 28 and 32, and that's got to be 120 degrees. 120 degrees where I had marked it green to complete the triangle, and then we have vertical angles that are congruent, so they have to be the same, 120. In the second case, if the measure of angle TSW is 35 and angle WAT is 40, we want to find angle AWE. This is what we want to find. I'll put it in green. Okay, so some things we would know. Arc TW would have to be 80 degrees because angle WAT is 40. It's inscribed, it opens up to it. The arc is twice the angle. And then we could find arc EA because the measure of angle TSW would be equal to 1/2 the difference because it's outside the circle. The measure of arc TW, the larger one, and the measure of arc AE, the smaller one. This is because this angle intercepts two arcs, EA and TW. So we would know that 35 is equal to half of the measure of arc TW was 80, and we want to find the measure of arc AE. We could multiply both sides by 2 so that 70 just equals 80 minus the measure of arc AE. Subtract 80 to both sides, and we have negative 10 equals the negative measure of arc AE, which would mean the measure of arc AE is equal to 10 degrees. And that would mean angle EWA, which is inscribed opening up to a 10-degree arc, would have to be half of that. So it equals half of 10 degrees, so it's 5 degrees for angle AWE.